One of the most awesome cars on the face of the earth. Last day at the Good Guys Car Show. Car with a blower on the background, you can hear it. Back to the green Manalooshi. Beautiful. Work of frickin' art. That whole place was packed with cars.